Are you trying to screen mirror your iPhone or iPad to your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max after the Fire OS 8 update but can't really find the AirPlay anywhere? Don't worry, let's see the easiest way to get screencasting working again. So first, let's grab a remote and press the menu button, or just go to the hamburger menu and select App Store. So from here, you can use voice search or manually search for an AirPlay app. So once you search, you'll see AirPlay suggestions along with other similar mirroring apps. Choose an AirPlay app that's got good reviews, like we're installing this one. So after it's installed, before starting screen mirroring, make sure both your iPhone and Fire TV Stick are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now let's open the AirPlay app. If it's installed correctly, you'll see it's ready for screen mirroring with iOS devices. So on your iPhone, swipe down to open the control center and tap screen mirroring. If everything is set up correctly, your Fire TV Stick 4K Max name will appear. Just go ahead and tap on the name. Now next, a connection code may appear on your TV screen if it's your first time connecting. Just enter the code on your iPhone and just confirm. And now the mirroring will start. So whatever you do on your phone, open photos, play videos, use apps, or even the camera, everything will show on the big screen. And you know what? You can mirror your iPad just like the exact same way. Now to stop mirroring, you can either press the home button on your remote and choose exit, or you can simply go to your iPhone control center once again and tap on the screen mirroring option and select stop mirroring. Told you, it's easy and quick. Be with Fix369 for more tech tips.